I was hardly able to walk a half a mile when I got the surgery. I had to stop twice, and now I'm walking 5Ks, 7Ks. When it all started off, I came to support groups, and after the surgery, it's one of the things that I said, hey, maybe I'll go skydiving, and I ended up going. I had to get down to 225 pounds, which was a surprise to me. I thought 250, and my daughter came with me, and the two other people, one person from the support group, which made it really fun because, you know, we were kind of like the next support group we went to. Everybody was almost cheering for us, and but it was more than jumping out of a plane. It was reaching a goal in my life that really made it important to me. Just getting that part of my life back and getting in control, feeling good about myself, looking in the mirror, buying clothes off at Kohl's, something that I forgot about. I was going to a large men's store and I looked like a sack of potatoes. You know, now I go into Kohl's and I buy shirts, buy pants, buy too much because it's something that I could do, and it's changed my life. You know, there's things that people don't realize you don't do. Sitting in a booth in a restaurant, going to an amusement park, which is things that I'd lost in my life. Getting married, having kids, and getting surgery was a life-changing experience, and that means a lot to me and my family. And my daughter looks at my pictures and she's like, I can't believe that was you. And I look at my pictures and I can't even believe that was me. It was a dark period in my life, and I switched the light switch on, and here I am. Bada boom.